Hi there, so today I want to talk about this TV stand that we got. It was really simple to put together. You can get different colors. We went with green because we're going to use this for our outdoor movie. The dad's getting the TV to go ahead and put on here now, and I love the forest green. It is made out of metal, has a really nice sturdy shelf down below. There's 4 wheels that they can be locked into place. It also has a pocket here that is weatherproof and waterproof, and so to throw your remotes in or whatever wish. And then it comes with all the extra bolts for whatever size TV that you're gonna go ahead and mount on here. These are the brackets here, and then you can adjust them up and down for whatever you wish. Then also this right here we'll put on the back of our TV, then you can wrap up the cord on there so everything is just kind of locked and secure into place, and wherever we want to roll it, we're ready to go.